I have two DEF injectors here. I'm gonna be testing them. They belong to a 2018 Ram 2500 with a 6.7 liter engine, diesel. This one is a bad one and this one is a good one here. We're gonna see what the difference is. But now really quick before testing them, the best thing you can do in this case, best thing is to take them out and test them outside. Why is that? Because the pins are very hard to be reached since they are mounted on top of the decomposition tube, because the DOC, the PDF filter, decomposition tube, and the SCR are all the way behind. So, but if you can test the wireless mounted on the decomposition tube, so lucky you. Now, taking them out sometimes also becomes a problem because the two 10mm bolts here get really bad. The head of the bolt lose shape due to heat or water, whatever, and sometimes you end up taking out or taking off the entire exhaust pipe. Alright, I'm going to be testing here on the two pins on both of them. To make the test a little bit easier, I use these banana type wires here and I insert them right there on the pins. And because I have a small alligators here on the multimeter leads, as you can see, I'm going to insert the wires here, just like that. Alright, a little closer here. And the light is kind of, and there is no reading, as you can see. It's completely dead. It's in open loop. This DEF injector is damaged. It's not good anymore. Between 11 and 13 ohms, then this DEF injector will be fine, will be good. But in this case, it's damaged. Do the test in the other one that is a good one. This one here. Gonna see here, and we can insert that pin here. And see the reading right there, 12.9 ohms. As I said, if you get between 11 and 13 ohms, then it should be passing the test. This one has passed the test and this is ready to be installed. Here, really bad here because of the light. Alright, so that's how you can tell with one of these devices when one of these devices is good, a bad one and a good one.